This slow cooker pizza has it all. Taste, ease, and guess what? It's low carb and perfect for diabetics. You won't believe how easy it is to make this slow cooker pizza. Again, it's perfect for diabetics. It won't spike your blood sugar. And guess what? No cauliflower in sight.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
Well, what is our crust, do you ask? Well, let's start with these ingredients. Zucchini. You're gonna need 2 of these bad boys. And then I'm gonna use some turkey pepperoni. I know y'all see great value. That means a Walmart. Mushrooms. Of course, we're gonna wash these, gang. Our mozzarella cheese. And check this out. This drives me up a wall. So I have my Rayos at, your 6 grams of your carbs, a little bit of that price sign, a little pricey. I mean, I love it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's delicious, but it's pricey. Ragu, no sugar added. Whoa, 11 grams of carbs, but it's 3 grams of fiber. So 8 net carbs, okay. And then Classico, this isn't even labeled as lower in sugar, and we see that it has 6 net carbs. So when I'm comparing, I always tell folks I never want you to feel bad if you are watching a budget, because let's be honest, the Rayo's is expensive. Granted, it is delicious. Sometimes we have to, that's the difference in our budget. And so I say compare those labels. Today we will use the Classico. Now, like we said earlier, I want you to open that container of mushrooms. I love mushrooms, gang. If you don't like mushrooms, yes, of course, you could leave them out. You give them a good rinse, give them a good wash, and then we're gonna start slicing that zucchini quite thin. Now, 1 large zucchini, I love zucchini, is only 55 calories, y'all. I mean, this is definitely a winner. And I know some of y'all are gonna ask me, Shelly, I don't like zucchini. I feel like it gets a little bit liquidy. Can I use butternut squash? Can I use cauliflower? And I always tell folks, including my clients, and where are my manners? I forgot to introduce myself. If you're new here, welcome back, or welcome. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. I'm a dietitian. I go by Dietitian Shelly. I post videos here covering topics and recipes pertaining to diabetes, prediabetes, insulin resistance, and more. So if you're ready to lower those blood sugars with me and lose weight without it being too complicated or costing too much money, still living your life, eating some yummy food, I definitely would love to have you along. So please click and subscribe. I'm also on the Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. I have a blog, Dietitian Shelly. You definitely want to follow that. But back to the question, use what your little heart desires. If you love butternut squash more than zucchini, go for it. I mean, this is your recipe as well. This is for your family. I personally probably wouldn't use cauliflower. I'm gonna stick with my zucchini, but you do you, boo. I'm gonna grab that slow cooker, give it a little spray with nonstick cooking spray, and you're gonna start layering the zucchini. And I'm making it look really cute, y'all, because sometimes y'all fuss me if it ain't pretty. But guess what? It's your house. You could just dump that zucchini in there. If it was just me cooking this and I wasn't filming it, I'm telling you right now, I would dump it. A messy kitchen's the best kitchen. My kitchen's old. Sometimes y'all say things about it. I don't care. It's old. It functions. It works. I'm not gonna fix something if it's working. I'm not gonna fix something if it's working, y'all. We're gonna take that Classico. We said earlier, it's a good substitute. It has 1 more net carb than the Rayos, but I also am very much honoring budgets right now. And then you're gonna pour that entire jar in there, and I'm gonna layer that turkey pepperoni. Y'all know that's turkey pepperoni, great value. That's from Walmart. Y'all know I shop at Walmart. Y'all know I shop at all my Kroger, Big Lots, Drug Emporium, all my discount stores. I love them. Rouse's, if you're in South Louisiana, hey, let me know what store you shop at in the comments section. I love grocery shopping. I don't know if y'all are like me. When I'm traveling a little bit, I love to stop at a grocery store. I live in Louisiana, but when I hit and cross that Texas line, I'm going to be at HEB. I'm also going to be at Buc-ee's too, but that's a whole other story. Y'all let me know. Buc-ee's just ain't in Texas no more. I think it's moving over to Tennessee. They're building one about an hour from me over in Ruston. And so I know my South Louisiana family mad that Buc-ee's ain't coming there, but that's a whole other story. Let me know if you know what Buc-ee's is in that comment section. We're layering the cheese, the mushroom. Y'all use toppings of y'all choice. Use toppings of your choice, please. We're going to cook this on low for about 4 hours. Look at this. This is bubbling. This is delicious. Definitely gives you that feel of pizza. I always want food to taste good. And hey, if you were too busy laughing and talking about Buc-ee's with me, the recipe's in the description box. But also, I want you to download that 7-day menu. That's guaranteed to lower your blood sugars, help you lose weight. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. I would love it if you subscribe. Thanks so much. Big hugs.